and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm so excited. We are going to be Christmas shopping. We're going to get into the Christmas spirit. You have to let me know in the comments, are you team Christmas tree and decor before Thanksgiving, or are you team no, give Thanksgiving its time and we'll put the tree up after Thanksgiving? So let me know where you fall on the scale. Honestly, you guys, I feel like for me personally, I need to start before Thanksgiving because I like to put Christmas decor everywhere. I feel totally different between fall decor and Christmas. Nobody can come for me in my Christmas. If you fall into that category like me, this video is really gonna be helpful. We're gonna be going to so many different stores. We're gonna be doing a little online shopping as well. Basically, if you wanna know what like Christmas decor trends there are for 2021, what's in store, what's available, what's hot for Christmas this year, this is definitely gonna be the video for you. We're basically gonna search all over and see what's new as far as decor, all that good stuff. I'm also gonna put together a blog post for you. So if you're thinking to yourself, I don't remember what video it was, or maybe like you don't have time to like search through videos, I totally get it. The blog post is where you wanna be. I'll have everything linked on the blog post for you in one spot. That way you can kind of take it. No, it's so loud. They're doing construction. It's so loud. Anyway, you can take it with you. If you're shopping, you have the blog post pulled up. You're like, oh yeah, I want to get this, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. So anyway, if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to do a little Christmas shopping with me, get into the festive Christmas spirit, then please just keep on watching. Guys, let's get into this shopping. First stop is obviously Target. Love me some Target, but we're shopping in the dollar spot. You guys, don't underestimate the dollar spot. You can find some really cute items that are small. Maybe you just need that third small item on like a shelf or someplace. Here I'm smelling a candle and there was literally no scent, so that was underwhelming. But you can find a lot of things to DIY with the kids, make super cute, paint, get creative, and I love that. So moving on, in the bath section, they had Christmas bath towels and different sets that you can sort of mix match and create your own set for guests during the holiday season.
Hey! Yeah, I don't know what that is.
No, it's just like a tree.
Isn't this where the Smurfs used to live?
I mean, it does look like a mushroom. Ooh. No,
we're gonna put that away.
That's not cute. Are these? I'm obsessed. I love the gold. Like, this is just very aesthetic and cute. This is just so cute and festive.
Yeah.
Without being too over the top. So I love this. Like, maybe have something like this.
Yeah.
Again, just picture this like cut down shorter. This. How cute is that? You could get like a couple of these.
Yeah.
And have like a little festive moment. I love this.
And clearly this gold section is calling my name. I love it. It's so festive. They had tons of different gold reindeers over there, candles, trees, these super cute mugs from Hearth and Hand that I'm obsessed with.
Come on, guys.
You guys. Wait, how much is this? I feel like I need this. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Letters to Santa. Like,
oh, and you can mount
adorable.
it. It's got mounting hardware in there.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is, should we get this? This is so cute.
We'll debate on this item.
It's the last one.
All right.
You can always get it online. This is so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Okay.
And moving on to Home Goods. Home Goods had so much stuff. They had more bath towels, and I actually like these ones better than the Target ones because, I mean, hello, they're neutral, so like they're calling my name. But they also had a lot of items that you could decorate your kitchen with, put Christmas cookies in, cute little mugs, little napkin rings, like all the things in the kitchen were Christmas-fied. I don't know, I think I just made that up, but they were Christmas themed. And how cute are these stocking holders with the Christmas trees in the marble. I'm obsessed. Cute little mugs, of course. Like HomeGoods honestly has it all. They had a ton of different Christmas tree decor pieces that I thought were super cute, would be really nice on like a mantle, a shelf, tons of tree skirts over there, you can tell. But how cute are these little cooking tongs with the gingerbread? Like, I'm obsessed with that. The cookie cutters, the ornaments, like all these little items just put me in the festive mood, put me in the Christmas spirit, and I'm loving it. HomeGoods for the win. Definitely have to check these out. Let me know how you feel about these Christmas trees. They're super glam, but I feel like they could work. I'm in love. Okay, new setup. Who dis? I have my laptop right here. I plan on popping up on the screen my computer screen so you can see like what I'm shopping for. So I found tons of like paper ornaments, very natural looking ornaments that I thought could look really, really cute. And this image right here of like the branch is just speaking to me. So maybe you don't want to decorate like your full tree with like these neutral paper ornaments. Adding it to a branch like this, I think is just so cool and so different. Okay, moving on. This is a wild card. This black Christmas tree, it's just giving me life. Like there's something so chic about this. I absolutely love this tree. I think it's beautiful. I'm picturing gray. I'm picturing black ornaments, like matte black ornaments, as well as like shiny glossy ornaments, velvet black, a full moment. This tree lit up, all black, everything would just be so just like classy. This is a chic Christmas tree. You have to let me know what you think about a black Christmas tree. Would you be down with a black Christmas tree, or are you like, girl, no, give me the green, give me the flocked all the way. Okay, so speaking of trees, this pampas grass Christmas tree, if you follow me on Instagram saw it first. I'm obsessed with this. I think this is awesome. I saw these all over the place last year. Everybody and their mom wanted a pampas grass Christmas tree, and if they couldn't get one, they took actual pampas grass like picks and stuck them in their Christmas trees, which I think is also really cool, but this one is just speaking to me. Okay, next up, this is for all my glam girls out there. If you like a very silver, gold Christmas tree, I love that too. These ornaments right here, you guys, they're so beautiful. For some reason, they remind me of like a wedding dress. Like they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm just picturing like a beautiful flocked tree with like cream, ivory, even some blush ornaments with a bunch of these all over the place, and like a beautiful like rhinestone star, like a gold rhinestone star with these ornaments. Are you kidding? That would be so beautiful. They come in different colors as well. I'm obsessed with this like ivory beige color. So beautiful. Okay, and moving on, I didn't see these in store, but Target has these beautiful wooden Christmas trees I think are awesome. They're by Studio McGee, of course. Like I feel like these are gonna sell out so quickly. They're gorgeous. They're not too expensive. They're neutral. I mean, come on, like they just go with, they're just a part of the vibe, and I'm obsessed with them.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Okay, you guys, so we are officially back home and some things have arrived in the mail. I've got my little festive holiday sweater on with the pearls. So I don't know, I'm just in a mood. I'm excited. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you is this super cute. Okay, first of all, it looks like an ornament, but actually, if you lift this up, it's a candle inside and it smells It smells good. It's not my favorite. I mean, it's not Leaves. It's not one of the Bath & Body Works scents that I normally go to, but it does smell nice. It smells very Christmassy. Honestly, it kind of smells like a Christmas tree, which I'm allergic to Christmas trees, so I really hope this doesn't set my allergies off. That would be cute. So anyway, I just really like this. I'll have this link down below. She was kind of pricey, but I just had to have this because I figured when the candle runs out, I could still have this as decor. I love the color, you know this. I mean, gold just speaks to me, so I'm loving it. Okay, next up, CB2, I got some ornaments. So I got a set of 4. We have a silver ornament down here, kind of like a clear one, more of like a gunmetal, and then a gold. I have more of these coming in the mail because this is just not gonna suffice. Like one box is not enough. So I have more coming in the mail. And then you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna show all these, but I got these super cute ornaments. So these ornaments are actually going to go in my office. I ordered a new tree. I'm crazy. Hi, nice to meet you. It's like a champagne, I'll link it down below. It's like a champagne bronzy color Christmas tree, and I feel like these black and white ornaments would look so cute. Like I can't even, I got so many different ones. I think I have like maybe 10 total black and white, varying sizes. So here are some of the bigger black and white. I just thought these were like classic, timeless. I'm not a huge Kardashian fan, but it reminded me of like Kris Jenner, like just very like mature, modern chic. And I just really like this. And then I could not pass these ornaments up. I got 4 of the small ones and I have 4 larger ones coming in the mail. They're marble. I just think these are absolutely beautiful. I feel like these are really different and cool, and no one's gonna have these. Like these are very unique and different. That's the thing about CB2. Like they have the most unique, different, special items. So I got 4 small ones. Again, 4 larger ones are still coming in the mail. And then I got a box of luster ornaments. I really like these because they're kind of like a transparent. They're just really soft. This is not bold, but for me, it looks more of like a bolder choice. Like, oh, pink, orange. What is this? Kind of like almost like a green. This is my safe zone right here, but these two, you probably would think, Kara, why would you get those colors? Like, I'm not understanding. I'm not seeing it. Trust the process. When the lights hit this, because they're so sheer, it's not gonna look as bright. This is up against a white background, but I'm sorry guys, my allergies. When it's up against like a green flock tree with the Christmas lights, it's not going to look as pink as orange. It's just going to give like a softer sheen. So I'm really excited about these. I have a really good feeling these are gonna look awesome. And then for my office tree, I got this tree skirt. I love the pleating. I don't even know if you could see the pleating, but trust me, the pleating is really cute. So I just needed a tree skirt. And okay, I think that's it as far as like, oh no, it's not, hold on. Okay, and then I got these Christmas trees, which I thought were super cute. I'll have these linked down below. They're from CB2. I just really like these. I think these are really cool and different. This is kind of just like round 1. Like this is like round 1 of like, okay, we're getting the ball rolling with Christmas. I got some Christmas pillows. You're gonna tell that when I do my Christmas decor compared to my fall decor, I'm kind of like an anything goes type of girl when it comes to Christmas. Like I will not be making one of those videos about things you shouldn't do for Christmas decor because I love Christmas so much. I could never do that to Christmas. So anyway, I got this pillow here. It's got the Christmas trees on it, but it's very obviously like neutral. It's beaded. I just think this is so cute. Like, I just love this. It's my favorite holiday. I don't care. It might be a little like cheesy. I don't care. I love it. It makes my heart sing. Remember I told you, if it makes your heart sing, go for it. This makes my heart sing. So I got 2 of those pillows. So here's the second one right here. Obviously gonna put these on the couch. You guys, and then I got these pillows. I'm obsessed. This is my favorite color, green. I love this rich, dark, almost brown green. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I saw this, I had to have this. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm so glad they have 2. They had 2. I have the second one in here. But you guys, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Like these 2 pillows together for the holiday season. It's very neutral. It's very me. I just feel like, oh, this is just everything. I'm obsessed. Yay, Home Goods for the win. So, like I said, I got 2. The second one is in here, and I cannot wait to put these on the couch. Okay, so sticking with Home Goods, moving on to more of like the typical Christmas stuff. I got these marshmallows. I thought they were super cute. I was with the kids at Home Goods and I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, this would be so cute. There's 4 of them. And then I got some mugs. So this one says Happy Holidays. It's by Jessica Simpson. I just think this is really cute. I figured this could be Rob's mug. Anybody else suffering from allergies? I'm like dying over here. So yeah, I just thought this would be cute and festive. And then I got one for myself. Again, this is just very, very festive. There's nothing really aesthetic about it. I mean, it's cute, but there's not anything that's like super aesthetically pleasing and like neutral. I just really like this. Okay, and then I got these 2 matching mugs. These are the aesthetic ones for sure. I need like some hot tea. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these afterwards to like soothe my throat. This one says fa la 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 la, and this one says snuggle, and they're so cute together. Like I'm just picturing like a little boomerang on Instagram, like an Instagram picture. So you can clearly tell I'm a content creator because my mind instantly goes to the gram. So anyway, I just thought these 2 would be really cute together. Okay, you guys, so I actually went shopping last weekend too, so I'm gonna show you what I got last weekend. Back to Home Goods. I got these really, really cute pillows. These were in the checkout aisle. I figured in the playroom, these would be adorable, or in Briella's room, whichever, but how pretty are these? Like I love the beading. I just think they're really pretty and glam. This speaks to me. Okay, you guys, and then at Target, you saw that there were so many cute trees, so many cute options. I got these 2. They're glass with the gold rim around it. I figured again, like mixed in with these CB2 trees. Honestly, anywhere, like this is just gonna be so, so cute. Okay, and I actually got a ton of these, so I have some more over here, and then a taller one. So I got 2 tall and 2 small. Okay, and then I got some ornaments, super random, but I figured on the kids' Christmas tree up in the playroom, that would be really cute. We had these ornaments last year, but I can't remember if we got all of the different dinosaurs, so I just wanted to make sure that I got like a varying set of dinosaurs. Briella's letter is coming in the mail. They didn't have that, so anyway. Okay, and next up, I got these little trees. I thought these would be really, really cute to put like even in a bathroom, like in a cabinet, like little places that need just like that 3rd little item. This would be really, really cute. It's neutral, my color scheme, perfect. More dinosaur ornaments. And then, okay, so when I went in to Target the first time, it was just RG and I, a mother-son Target run, and he really wanted this tree for his room, and I thought it would be perfect with his green bed. Like I feel like that would look nice, so I got this for RG. So yeah, you guys, I think that's it for now. If I forgot something, I'll just film it in our Christmas decorate with me video. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration for your Christmas shopping. I will link everything down below in the description box, but also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm creating a blog post all about more Christmas decor that maybe I didn't purchase that I'm like, oh my gosh, I highly recommend. This is super cute. I will have that blog post linked down below. Really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my Christmas decor, literally all of the Christmas decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.